So now we will solve the question D in here, which is about using properties. We should turn this into the other form. If you remember that we have two rules about this. Only two rules to memorize. Is there anyone who remembers the rule of the first one? How do we change this? Anyone remembers?
P or Q prime, I think.
Or
P prime,
or
or Q.
Yes. And when it's with implies, when it's with like negation, it is going to be opposite, P and Q prime. Yes. We will just use these two properties to solve that one. So we will turn this into or P prime or Q and Q prime. So until we deal with inside parentheses, we cannot do something for outside. So then inside the parentheses, we have or and. When they are different, we use distributing rule. Q prime and P prime, Q prime and Q. So P prime and Q prime is the first parenthesis. I'm distributing with and, Q prime and P prime, that's in here, Q prime and Q. From right to the left, Q prime and Q. So between these two, which sign should I put? The one inside the parentheses comes here between them. And after the brackets, we have implies P prime. So then, inside the parentheses, P prime and Q prime, we cannot calculate this one. Or Q and Q prime, we can get a result for this. What is the result of this? Anyone remembers?
0.
It is a very big 0. So when you have something or 0, what is the result? When you have P or 0?
P.
The result is P. So whatever you have in here, that is the result. Whatever you have in here, P prime and Q prime will be the result of the brackets. Let's complete it with brackets so you can see what's happening over there better. So then we have implies P prime. We are using this property. When you have or 0, whatever you have in the left or right, that will be the result. So now here we will do once again this converting. This means you will take negation of the first one, or the second one stays the same. Or the second one stays the same, you will take negation of the first place. Negation of the first place. P prime and Q prime. So negation with and or, with these two signs means change everything inside. P prime will turn into P, and will be or, Q prime will be Q, or P prime. After this, we can change place of the things because we have the same sign between the parentheses. So we can make it P or P prime comes here, or Q goes out. So then P or P prime has the result 1, it's a property, or Q, 1 or something, always number 1. We are using the properties right now.